Hello and welcome to this 10-minute guided focus meditation for chi activation to move through your body. This chi activation is meant to build and circulate chi, moving attention sequentially up the body's major joints and points to clear any blockages so that energy can flow rather than stagnate. It's meant to help you to train your sustained, focused attention. And by the end of the meditation, you should feel a tangible sense of energy moving. Before you get settled into your seat, just go ahead and do a light shake of the body to move any unwanted energy. Then give your body a light massage, letting the body know it's safe and that you're going to enter a meditative state. For this meditation, I suggest sitting with a straight, upright spine, and your hands rested, open in your lap, lightly curled into cups to help you feel and build the energy as it reaches your hands. Do not force any sensations at any point. Just a light, patient attention draws chi more effectively than straining after it. Move slowly through the sequence. If any point feels blocked or numb, simply focus on your breath and breathe into that area for a few extra rounds before moving on to the next. So go ahead and find your seat, your spine, let it lengthen without stiffening. Roll your shoulders and begin to bring awareness to the breath. Close your eyes and let your gaze soften within. Take one full deep breath in through the nose and hold for 4 seconds. And slowly release for 4 seconds. Do that again 2 more times, breathing in, hold, and exhale out the nose. Once more, breathing in, hold, and release. Allow your breath to naturally settle. Now we're going to utilize our focus, our awareness, our senses, and attention. Going to move chi up through the body, 1 point at a time. I like to visualize chi as a small golden ball. Bring your attention to this golden ball of light, small, tiny, vibrating ball. We will begin to move first through the feet and ankles. Bring your attention to the center of your foot and notice this golden ball of light being placed at the center of each foot, activating the energy. And as you breathe in, allow that golden light to expand throughout your feet. And then move that ball up into the ankle. See that golden ball of light spinning the center of your ankle, warming and relaxing your joint. Continue to breathe as you visualize these two golden chi balls moving up each leg from the ankle up through the shin until it reaches the knees. Breathe into your knees and allow this golden ball of chi to circulate energy that is healing and releasing any tension. Breathe into them and let them unlock just slightly with the exhale. Now breathe those two chi balls up through your thighs, your glutes, and into your hips. Bring your attention into your hips, a wide gate of energy, and allow your hips to relax with each breath as the chi starts to pull and rise. These two energetic balls move through your hips and into your tailbone, where the two balls then merge into one ball of chi. Feel the base of your spine. Feel the tension releasing and relaxing. And then allow that ball of chi to slowly travel up each vertebrae, one at a time. Sense this ball of light flowing through the main channel and moving up behind your organs, your lungs, and behind your heart, where it rests for a moment and sends divine energy into your heart. It continues to move up into your neck, behind your throat. And from this point, it again splits into two as it moves to your shoulders, releasing the energy, the weight that you're carrying from your shoulders and chest. And then these two balls of chi spin down into the elbows, releasing the joint, the elbow, and then it moves through the wrist into the center of your hands. Now feel the energy of the chi moving from the palm into each fingertip. Now you can rub your hands together to bring all that chi together in this moment. Notice the tingling warmth and pulsing as you slowly bring your hands apart. And now place that energy into your eyes. As you place your palms on your eyes and on your face, allowing this chi to enter into your mind's eye, into your third eye. This chi flows through your mind, clearing out all the meridians and channels in the head space and moving out the top of the skull through the crown. That golden chi then becomes a star at the top of your head and circulates back through and around your body. See that current flowing all around you. The chi is now circulating into millions of little balls of energy, little balls of light that flow through your entire being, and bring it back into one line of energy that goes directly through the center channel of your being. Focus all your attention, your energy, and awareness back on the very center of your being as you call in your energy, your power, contain it into your center, into your source. Breathe in, exhale, and relax. Now you should be feeling much more aligned than we started. Maintain this practice of focusing your energy, focus on the chi as it moves through your body throughout the day. Continue this practice as long as you would like to. And when you're ready, you can bring your awareness back into the body as every cell is awakened. You are grounded here in this moment. Take a deep breath in and wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes and bring that ball of light, that ball of chi through your pupils. So now you see the world with this new energy. Bring awareness to this throughout your day for profound effects, profound changes in your reality as you train and maintain your focus. Return to this meditation anytime you feel called to circulate the chi through your body. Have a beautiful day.